Hello guys, welcome back to the Giveaway Motovlog channel. Now if you remember, in this video I talked about a very strange noise coming from the engine of my Suzuki Van Van. So I took it to a service shop. If you remember, I adjusted the valves, but none of that has actually helped. So I decided, what if there is not enough oil in the engine? So I checked the oil level, and indeed this marking over here was showing me a very low amount of oil inside the engine. So what I did, I bought some oil. This time I'm going to use Liqui Moly's 10 to 40 engine oil. I topped it up. I added something like 200 grams or a little bit less than that, and so the noise is gone. It's incredible that the bike has been running low on oil for all this time, which could explain the engine noise. But now, after I topped it up, no issues whatsoever. It runs smoothly, it revs smoothly, no strange noises. So everything is as it was when I only changed the oil. So the day when I changed the oil. So I suppose that the engine is somehow, the bike is somehow consuming oil. But I don't experience any loss in power. So I have to check it with the instruction manual. Maybe this engine is expected to consume some oil. I don't know. Maybe you know something about this, because I never come across this. So if you know a thing or two, please let me know down in the comments. So this is all I wanted to say. This is really embarrassing. This is such a big epic fail that you have to be always and frequently checking your engine oil level. But I thought that the bike would somehow let me know that the engine oil is below level. It would probably not start or something like that, but I was wrong. Apparently there is no way the bike will tell you that it's running low on oil. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care, best of luck, and bye.